What's up everybody, my name is Tristan Padron. Welcome back to my hip hop cardio class. If you are new here, welcome. And how this class is going to work is we are going to learn a short combo for 8 counts of choreography and grooves and different movement. And we're going to be doing it to different tempos, speeds of music. First 8 minutes is going to be the learning, and the last 7 minutes is going to be the dancing, and all of that adding to 15 minutes. Anyways guys, we're going to get right into it right now. Start the timer. So, first move. You're gonna step out with your left, right? Not right, left. Right here. You're going to step out and slide. You're gonna extend your arms. You're gonna slide this leg in, you're gonna bring it up. Yeah? You can do that to this, same thing to the other side, yeah? Stepping out to the right, bring that leg over and up, yeah? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can add extra stuff if you want to. Like you can add a little head if you want to. You can, or you can like, you know? So add your own flair to it, okay? But the base of the whole thing is just slide out, bring up, slide out, bring up, hey, 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 yeah? So 5, 6, 7, slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cool. We're gonna be doing a little house dancing again. If you don't know what house dancing is, please look it up, it is awesome. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hop out, left foot is gonna come out first. We're gonna do a variation of what is called a house shuffle, I believe. Yeah, so you're gonna bring this foot out, then you're gonna hop, and other foot's gonna be out, yeah? So left is out, right is out, and what we're gonna do is we'll practice this. You're gonna hop, kick this leg, switch, and bring this down, yeah? So I'll go from the top of that again. So this is hop out, and kick with the left, kick with the right, and back, yeah? So hop, hop, ta, 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 yeah? Let's try that, So 5, 6, 7, 8, hop, 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 kick, kick, down, yeah? If that's hard for you, just hop, hop, and then just kick, kick low, kick, kick, down, hop, hop, kick, kick, down, yeah? Or just like step, step, kick, kick, down, yeah? Do whatever it is that is better for you, yeah? So hop, hop, kick, kick, down, then we switch to the other side, hop, and now your right is gonna be out first, then your left, and then you kick, kick, down, yes? Let's go from the top of that, the house shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, and 8, yeah? Ignore that foot, you don't have to do that. You can vary that up if you want to. You can be like, ta, ta, yeah? Tap, ta, oh, I did it wrong, ta, da, da, like you can vary it up, yeah? So hop, hop, kick, and hey, hop, hop, kick, and hey. That's what it looks like, okay? So we're halfway done. Let's move on to the next move. Really easy. You're going to step with your left, put both hands right here on this hip, yeah? You're going to make a diamond. So you're going to, right here, bring your hands to the side, then bring it up, yeah? This is 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to step with this leg right here, 4, yeah? It's going to be a little uneven, if you know what I mean. Like the counts are uneven. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah? You can do whatever you want with your hands. You can have it up here if you want to. Butterfly, I don't know, whatever it is that works for you, yeah? So again, from the top of that, here, 1, 2, 3, then switch, 4, 5, 6, yeah? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna pump twice, boom, boom. And you really just wanna use that core right here and just crunch in and kind of act like you have like a hammer. You know, when people like work out and they like have that like hammer that people use, they'll like, boo. Imagine if you're doing it like this. Yeah, and you go ba ba, and then you throw down, boom, right here, and then you're gonna hop up. You're gonna kick off of this right foot, hop, right? This is the last 8 count, by the way. This is 1, 2, yeah? So you throw down, you hop up, and you land on this left leg, yeah? So let's go back to the diamond, yeah? So 5, 6, 7, diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Throw down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. I jumped ahead of myself. Okay, again, diamond. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pump. 7, 8. Yeah, don't forget that pump and then throw down. Boom. Yeah. Let's just finish it off. That way we can go from the top. So you throw down, you land, and as soon as you land, you just slide this out. You don't have to go like super out or anything. Just kind of have this whole 8 count right here very chill, yeah? Because it's gonna go from here to the top again, yeah? So you throw down 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah? So you really wanna be lifting off of that right here, and lifting this left up, and it lands on 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, as soon as it hits 8, you really just want to have both feet planted on the ground. Yeah. So really try practicing your counts. Count to 8 from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and then we go from the top again. So let me go from the top. Let's do everything. This lasts like a minute, 20 seconds. Yeah, so 5, 6, very slow. 1, 2, yeah, slide. And side, slide, 7, 8. We're gonna go into house. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hop. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pump. 7, 8. Throw down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Top. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. House. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is 1. Diamond. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pump. 7, 8. Throw down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. On this part, dude, just have fun with it. Move your arms around, you know, until the 8. Then again. Yeah. So the more effort you put into this, the better of a workout you're gonna get. We are about to get into the music, so get ready. If you need to, take a water break, and we're gonna get right into it. Do it, baby, yeah! All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna get started. And when I groove, just groove with me. Keep that heart rate up, keep that, just groove, keep it going, yeah? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can do it, yeah, I believe in you. Cool, let's do it. Groove with me. Groove with me, get used to the tempo, okay? Go. With your chest. And get ready. And slide. 5, 6. Let's go. Slide. Up. Slide. Up. Slide. Then we house, right? Hop, hop, kick, and down. Hop, hop, kick, and down. Diamond. And pump, pump, throw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slide, pop, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and house. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pump. 7, 8, throw down. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, cool. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, go. Let's go, let's go. Cool, it's gonna start. 5 and 6, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, and house, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go, go. And 5, 6 from the top, go. And 5, 6, 7, and house. 5, 6, 7, and diamond, go. And pump, throw down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, let's go. Let's go.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it,
You ready? Let's go.
I wanna see
5, 6.
it. See how rewind when we
And house.
rewind. Feels so
Tap, tap.
nice.
Tap, tap.
Time, you
Pump, throw down.
to make me feel right.
5, 6, let's go, baby.
Had this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Hey, sweet talk,
Let's
need
go.
to say let's do
Hey,
babe. No
hey.
need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on
5,
my
6
way.
from the top.
On my
Yeah.
way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.
And
Oh,
house.
you miss my touching. You do.
Diamond.
Show me something, give me more than one
Pump
thing.
and
I
throw.
need more than
2,
less than
3,
I
4,
do.
5, 6, 7.
Say you a good
Pop.
guy, make me believe it.
And
Don't
house.
wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how
You don't have to go so hard if you don't want to.
rewind,
But if you really want to
rewind.
make use
So
of the time you
nice,
got,
I can't
let's go
help
hard.
at this sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
Let's go. Hey.
Don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
Hey, hey.
Sweet talk. You need to say let's do babe.
And pump
No need for
and
no
four,
flowers,
2,
babe.
3,
I'm
4,
already on
5,
my
6,
way.
and good.
We've been dancing all night.
Keep it going, alright? We're almost there.
Right here with you.
Follow me.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel
And
like
roll your arms.
550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
And
ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel
let's
like
go.
550 on the 5 sticky, come
And
get high
5,
with me,
6.
that's a deal,
Let's
right?
go.
That's a
Go.
deal,
1,
right?
2,
That's a
3,
bet, right?
4, 5, 6,
That's a bet,
7.
right?
House.
That's a deal,
1,
right?
2,
That's a
3,
deal,
and
right?
5, 6.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right?
Take it
That's a
easy, it's a new
deal,
song.
right? That's a bet, right?
Unless you don't
That's
want
a
to.
deal,
If you can
right?
go
That's
hard.
a deal, right?
5, 6 from the
Hey,
top.
coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.
Man,
Made
how-
a plot in my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information.
You can go
I'm a
soft
superstar, so I gotta
and
shine.
small if
Top
you
dollar
really
be
want
the
to.
bottom line.
Like
Bottom
this.
feeding dotted
I'll go
line.
small
Turn your
again,
heart rate
just
to
to
a
show
dotted
you.
line. Yeah, my
And-
zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my
And house, this is hop,
Day with destiny,
hop,
focusing on my
beep,
fate. I
hop,
don't give a
hop,
what you rapping, you been a
beep,
fake. I'm
and
everything
whoop,
that they ain't,
whoop,
it can't
whoop.
be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go.
Let's go
I
hard on
won't
this
be.
one, yeah?
From the block with plain clothes and police.
And
Straight up to
5,
the top
6,
with bank
go
rolls and
hard.
rollies. Ride with me
Hey.
if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me
And
if you feel
yeah,
like
yeah.
550 on the 5 sticky, can get high
5,
with me,
6.
that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
Keep going.
That's a
Keep
bet,
going.
right?
Go.
That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
Right let's get used to this tempo. Just hop with me. This is the last song. Last song, okay? Let's go. Hey.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's icy. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze, photo,
And go. Hey, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
no
stop.
photos.
1, 2,
Hit the door and the door and just whole team here.
Take
Might
it
need
easy.
some. Still young, but I move like a
You got it, you got it.
deal to my lawyer.
Hey,
If
2,
it down in my management,
5,
I'm just
6,
warming up
7,
a way
8,
till I
1, 2,
overdo
3,
all the numbers
4,
one.
5,
Different
6,
colors in my baggy like chalk it up. Talk of the town when you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things when your pockets dull.
Go
Run
hard,
it up.
100%,
I
let's
used
go.
to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me
5,
count up your
6,
blessings and
7,
run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's
Good job,
ice.
good
I
job,
got
good
wifey on bling and she ice.
And great job, everybody. Oh my gosh. Good job. If you followed all the way through, that's what I'm talking about. Give yourself a nice flex in the mirror, pat yourself on the back, tell your mom, yeah, I'm a little bit better than I was yesterday. And anyways, good job, everybody. Thank you for taking this class. Thank you for clicking on the video and following with me. I was right there with you. So if you want to take this again, take it again. Like if you didn't feel like you got a good enough of a workout, take it again or try one of my other combos that I'm gonna have out. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe, turn on the bell notification in the comment section down below. Let me know what's up, say hello. Tell me your favorite restaurants that you like to eat on the weekends. Thank you guys again. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Love you. Hope you continue growing and stay strong, stay healthy, and yes, I love you again. Yes. Cool. Later.